Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Wednesday, February the 6th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. Want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right now. The Dow Jones is currently up about a point here. The NASDAQ is up 2.73. The Russell 2000 is up a little over a point here. S&P's down 70 cents. Taking a look at a couple of key sectors here. Oil index is down 1.63. USO is pretty much flat, down 6 cents. GLD up 43 cents today. GDX up 31 cents today. Copper's down 35 cents today. Silver going back green here, up 2 cents. UUP is up 6 cents. FXE down 53 cents. Volatility index is pretty much flat, down 5 cents. And let's go ahead and take a look at the screens here. Now, yesterday my video card blew out, so I was not able to do any video updates yesterday. My video card blew out in the morning. I have a new video card that can support full monitors coming in overnight, so hopefully it'll be here by tonight, and I can be back on the 4-screen setup, because this real estate space that I lost on my screen, now I'm working off of 2 screens, is not good. I can't really maneuver that much around that. But in any case, let's take a look at the market here. This is a Fusion platform, by the way. We are in the process of doing a Fusion tutorial video for some of the new traders that are coming on board with us, so they could be able to get themselves up to speed with the platform. All right, so let's go and take a look at the market here. I want to first start by taking a look at the Qs this time here. You can see the S&P's been chugging along for the whole day here. We held yesterday's opening price. We held today's opening price, and we just started moving higher, filled the gap, and now we're coming into this little tight little pattern wedge action right here. We could get some selling pressure going into the afternoon session here. If we break above today's highs on the SPY 151.26, we're going to have some resistance right here around the 151.48 level, which matches up with yesterday's highs. If we fade all the way back down, you want to be watching this 150.86 level on the SPY. If we break back below 150.86, you want to be looking for these 150.63s. Our infamous triple Qs here, people. Our triple Qs, this triple Qs just does not want to break back above this little red range that I've been showing you guys on the daily chart here. This is a 50-minute chart, by the way. You can see we were battling, trying to go back positive on the session here on the triple Qs since 11 o'clock. We have not been able to do so. You probably have some people getting short the triple Qs with a stop above the high of this current 50-minute candle. Either way, looks like we're in a range between the opening price and the previous day's close. That's going to be 67.50-ish or so, and around the 67.18. Keep an eye on that little range there. Taking a look at the IWM. The IWM was showing some nice little strength this morning here. Filled the gap. Even was about 5 cents or so away from the previous day's highs. And now that pulled back as well. Was not able to hold above this 90.30s, and now that could fade back down. You want to watch this little range right here. This little box, that little top of that base right here. All right, could have some support right here around the 90, around the 89, 95 level. We break below that level right there. Look for us to fill this little air pocket down here from this little range down here towards 89.80. Then the opening price down towards 89.66. So an ugly engulfing candle that just took out the previous 45 minutes. Actually, no, this ugly engulfing candle just took out the past, hour and a half of trading or so there on the IWM. The ugly bar right there. Same thing for the SPY, and same thing for the Qs. Now let's take a look at the ES to see how the ES was setting up here going into the afternoon session. Going into the morning session. You can see we were in a downtrend. We broke that little downtrend right there. Once we started holding above that trend line, holding above our 1503 level here, we were telling our guys in the room, look guys, this market continues to hold this bit above 1503. You can expect to move to 1506. We did not expect to move to 1508, but we did have 1508 as R2, which we give out these levels on our Facebook page. If you have not checked out our Facebook page, please go check it out. That page is Wall Street Trading. You can find that on Facebook. We post a whole bunch of our news stuff, a whole bunch of our news information that we give to our traders in our room. We share that with you guys for those of our followers that are on that page there. All right, and now taking a look at the 5-minute chart of the ES, which you see here on the right-hand side, you can see that we have broken this little uptrend that we made pre-market this morning. And now if we continue to hold below this 1506 and hold negative, we can expect the market to fade. I would say if you're looking to protect your positions, maybe buy some volatility index, VXX, maybe buy some VXX calls or so. But we're in a downtrend. We do have a lower high Actually, we do have like a little triple top action that we had at 15.10. Let me show you guys that because I actually put that on the Facebook this morning. You can see here the triple top on the ES. You got this little top right here, 1, 2, 3, and now you have a little lower high. So this is get pretty interesting, guys. We can see some nice selling pressure, and I want to make sure I get back in tune with the markets. Let me help him finish this video. Some nice selling pressure coming in. Volatility index, as you can see here, is pretty much ripping to the top side. Some stock ideas that we were watching this morning. We were watching Disney. Disney faded. We were watching EXP. That stock faded. SFLY was on watch, but that stock was chopping around. We were able to get short at 39.89 and put a stop at 41.20 and risk 30 cents. We made a 2-to-1 trade there. And then LVS was a stock that we were watching as well to see if it held up and held above the open price to get some gap fill action, and that one pretty much worked out. So again, if you want to come check out our chat room, email me at ccooper@wallstreettrading.com. If you're interested in trading with our proprietary trading firm, send me an email as well. We're definitely making some good actionable calls over here, and we're doing some good stuff. So look forward to hearing from you guys, and have a great day. Catch you guys for the After the Bell market summary. Cheers.